The Choco Taco is just discontinued.
But we can still make it at home.
We'll turn our waffle cone into a taco shell.
Fill it with a few scoops of ice cream. Finish with nuts.
This thing's a beauty.